Hey y'all, come with me on a clear kayak boat photo shoot. Mind you, I've never done this before, although I look like a professional. Stay tuned.
Baby, I get they really outside. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag. And you press that subscribe button if you bad. Go hit that subscribe button if you bad.
Hey guys, so we booked our clear kayak with Island Cabana in Aruba. Ensure when you book this, you're at islandcabana.com. It does have a dash in the middle. Now keep in mind the actual kayak boat is $50 for 1 hour. What that means is that you can actually rent this actual clear boat for 1 hour. Now that does not include the drone, the pictures, or the video. Now, once you get to the site, you'll scroll down, you'll see the rates, the duration. You'll also select your time, and then you'll go ahead and book the kayak boat. You can choose 1 hour, or you can choose 2 hour. There are 2 adults that can fit in the boat, but like I said, that $50 is literally just you renting the boat and floating in it in the ocean for an hour. All right, now here's the fun part. When you go down and select your option for the drone photo, you're going to choose one person for 15 minutes. Mind you, you're paying $300 for 15 minutes of that drone to take pictures and videos of you. If you do 2 people, it's $400. There's a $100 deposit. You just select that, select your acknowledgments, go on to the bottom, and hit your payment. And then when you do the payment, you're paying for the deposit, and you're paying for the $50 of the kayak and the taxes and fees. The remainder of the balance is due once you're there. Now you guys, keep in mind the weight limit is 200 pounds. 200 pounds. So if you're over 200 pounds, don't even think about it. Now, before I let you guys enjoy this video, I just want to let you know you will walk out in the ocean with an assistant. You will get in the boat. There is a string attached that they kind of latch to the sand, and you'll kind of float around. When you need to move positions, they will come back out and assist you, as you will see in the video further on. Enjoy. Now, of course, the drone goes all the way around your body, but hold on real quick. Yes, that drone went all the way around, but I am not about to have my cheeks out here on YouTube. All right, let's carry on.
She know that she precious. Her glowing, I'ma say it's impressive. Get to a bed however she wants. You can do what you want if you want to. She a baddie, she know she gon' run it up. Send me the 80, you already know I'm gon' slide. I be the soldier in the field for it. They be acting, they ain't really outside. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag.